Hi there! So today I'm going to show you how to navigate the BarasHenyo DLL online submission form. First things first is you have to open your computer's default browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome, as you can see on my screen. But I'm just going to use the incognito window just not to record the history of my browsing. So in the Omni box right here, at the search bar, you will have to key in the link that I gave you. So deped.in/BarasHenyo DLL. I'm using a different window and a different email because the email that I used for creating the form is logged into my main Chrome window. So that's why I'm using incognito. So now we go to the next step. Number 2 is you have to log in using your Google account. So remember that it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to use your DepEd email. So here I'm going to use my old email. And you'll be directed to the home page of the form. So we're now here. Step 3 requires you to read the description and important reminders in the form's home page. So these words right here. So at the near bottom of the page, you will see a drop-down list. You have to select your name. Click Next. The next section will have to require you to complete the lesson plan details. First with the date, grade level, semester, quarter, and the subject type, where you have to choose among curriculum subject, core curriculum subject, applied track subject, and specialized subject. Remember that for every choice that you make in this drop-down menu will direct you to a different section. So we're now directed to core curriculum subjects, where I have to choose the specific subject you're writing the DLL for. At the near bottom, it shows the prompt, please upload your core curriculum subject DLL here. So you have to click Add File, and a pop-up window appears. So you have the option to drag your files or select files from your device. So I'm doing the long way. Select files from my device, and then a system window will pop up. I'm afraid it's not shown in the screen capture that I have right now because it has limited features, but I'm looking for the file now. So this was a lesson plan that I have written this morning. So it has already attached here, but it's not yet uploaded, so you have to click Upload. It will show a progress bar. The speed of the progress bar depends on your internet connection and depends on the file size of your DLL. So always remember that it does not mean that your DLL is already attached here. It will go directly already to the submission bin because you have to finalize it by clicking Submit. So we're clicking Submit button, and voila! So now we have the receipt or the prompt that says your DLL has been submitted. Thank you. So if you're interested in seeing previous responses and to check whether your submission has been counted, you can click the See Previous Responses link right over there. So how did I do it? I held on the Control key and I clicked it with the mouse button. To do it the long way, you may do right click and then open link in new tab. So there you go. Mostly these are my submissions because I had 3 test submissions for recording this video, but I'm going to delete them right away after I finish with this. So to submit another response, you may just click the Submit Another Response link from the window itself. So that's it. Thanks for watching.